Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. This is Aruna, your maths teacher from Bharadashram Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam. In this class, we are going to see 7th standard maths, the first chapter integers. So, the last exercise, we are going to see the division of integers. So, in this exercise, we are going to see division of integers. Before going to the exercise, first we will see the rules of division in integers. See, positive integer divided by positive integer will be positive. For example, dividend and divisor both are positive, the answer will be positive. Like 5 divided by 5. So, 5 is a positive integer and 5 is a positive integer. Dividend and divisor both are positive, the answer will be also positive. Like 5 divided by 5 equal to, how many times we can cancel this? 1 time. So, the answer is 1, which is positive. When both the dividend and divisor are positive, the answer will be positive. When both the dividend and divisor are negative, then also the answer will be positive in division. So, for example, we can see minus 4 divided by minus 2. Minus 4 is a negative integer and minus 2 is also a negative integer. So, what will be the answer? See, minus 4 divided by minus 2. Minus and minus will get cancelled, and 2 and 4 we can use 2 table. So, here 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So, what is the answer? 2 by 1 can be written as 2, which is positive integer. Is it clear? When both the signs are same, the answer will be positive. When both the signs are negative also, the answer will be positive in division. If both the dividend and divisor are in opposite sign is nothing but positive and negative, the answer will be negative. So, using this division rules, we will see some example problems. See, the examples are division of integers. If both divisor and dividend are negative, both the divisor and dividend are negative, we have seen that the quotient is positive. So, for example, both are dividend and divisor, we are going to take the example of negative integer, which is minus 20 divided by minus 5. Dividend is negative integer and divisor also negative integer. How to find the quotient? Minus 20 divided by minus 5. Negative will get cancelled, and 20 and 5 are divisible in 5 table. So, in 5 1 time and 20, how many 5s are there? 5 4s are 20. So, 4 by 1 can be written in the form of 4. 4 is a positive integer. When the dividend and divisor both are in negative, the answer will be positive. When the dividend and divisor both are positive also, the answer will be positive, right? The next rule is, so the next is, if both the divisor and dividend are opposite signs in the sense positive and negative or negative and positive, the answer, that is the quotient, is negative. So, we will see with an example like minus 36 divided by 4. See, dividend is a negative integer and divisor is a positive integer. Opposite signs, positive and negative is there. And what will be the quotient? Quotient is negative. So, how the quotient will be negative? Minus 36 divided by 4. Now, we can cancel this both 36 and 4 in the common factor of 4 table, right? So, how many 4s are there in 4? 1. Yes, Akshaya, how many 4s are there in 36? In 4 table? 4? Yes, 4 9s are 36. Yes, here 36 is a negative integer. So, 9 also is negative, that is minus 9 by 1, which can be written like minus 9. So, when the dividend and divisor are in opposite signs, the answer will be negative. When the dividend and divisor are both are positive, the quotient is positive. Both are negative also, the quotient will be positive, right? Using these rules, we are going to solve the exercise problems now. So, the exercise problems are, the first we are going to see the simple exercise problems which we are going to write in 1 marks, right? The first problem is 150 divided by minus 1. So, how we will write in the division? That is 150 divided by minus 1, right? Here denominator is negative. See, the standard form is the denominator should be positive and the answer should be in the common factor of numerator and denominator is 1, that is standard form. So, first we are going to take the negative sign to the numerator. So, minus 150 divided by 1, right? When the denominator is 1, we can write the numerator answer as minus 150. So, positive divided by a negative integer gives the answer in negative integer, right? The second example is negative integer divided by negative integer. Negative divided by negative is both are in the same sign. I told you in division the answer will be positive, right? We will check the answer now. Minus 64 divided by minus 4, right? Here what shall we do? We can cancel both the negative signs and we need to cancel 64 by 4 in the common number. So, which is the multiples of this two number? In 2 table you can cancel 64 and 4 or else we can cancel both in which table? Yes, in 4 table also you can cancel. So, 4 1 time, 4 ones are 4. Here first we will take the first number 6. In 4 table how many times we can cancel? 4 ones are 4 1 time. 4 after 5 6. So, the remaining is 2. So, if you are going to take 2, the number is 24. Now, it will be easy for us. How many times? 24 in 4 table. So, 4 6 times. So, the answer is 16 by 1. 16 by 1 we can write as 16. So, both the divisor and divisor are negative. The answer is positive. The next one more example is 125 divided by minus 125. First what we are going to take? The negative sign to the numerator, that is minus 125 divided by 125. So, both the number can be cancelled in 1 time. So, negative number is answer is negative. So, the answer is minus 1. In 1 marks by seeing the questions we can answer directly. By using the rules, you should remind the rules, then we can answer for the questions easily, right? So, the next exercise problem is how to find the quotient. See, minus 48 divided by 12. So, first step we are going to take minus 48 divided by 12. See, in 48 and 12, what are all the common factors we have? 2 table. In 2 you can cancel both 48 and 12 and then in 4 table also we can get 48 and 12. The next number in 6 table also you can cancel like shall we use 6 table here or else 12 table also we can use. So, 2, 4, 6 and 12. So, whatever the table you need to cancel we can do. I am going to use 6 table. How many 6 are in 12? So, 6 2s are 12 and here 48. How many times 48 can be cancelled in 6 table? So, 6 8s are. So, it is a negative integer. So, minus 6 8s are 48. So, one more step we are going to take minus 8 by 2. Again now 8 and 2 can be cancelled using 2 table, right? So, 2 1 time and here minus. How many times 8 can be cancelled? 2 4s are 8. So, minus 4 by 1 which is minus 4. Is it clear? Directly if you cancel with 12 table also you will get the same answer. Right. The next example is 40 divided by minus 5. 40 by minus 5. So, first change the negative sign to the numerator 40 divided by 5. The denominator need to be positive. So, now 40 is the multiple of 5, right? So, we can use 5 table to cancel here. 5 is 1 time and 40 is, it is a negative integer. So, minus, how many times 40 can be cancelled? Yes, Deepak, how many times 40 can be cancelled in 5 table? 5? Yes, 5 8s are 40. So, the answer is minus 8 by 1. We can write minus 8 by 1 as minus 8. Is it clear? And last one more example is minus 130 by minus 13. Negative sign will be cancelled. Now, 13 and numerator is 130. First, we will consider this 13. So, how many times this 13 and 13 can be cancelled? One time, and we can include the 0. So, therefore, the answer is 10. Is it clear how to divide in the simple way? And the next we are going to solve the simplification of both the signs they are using, multiplication and division. So, first question is 56 divided by minus 2 into 4. First, we are going to solve the number which is given inside the bracket, right. So, the first step what we are going to do is 56 divided by, first we need to solve this 2 now, that is minus 2 into 4. Minus 2 is a negative integer, 4 is a positive integer. We know how to multiply this, negative into positive, that is minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus, and the number is 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8. Now 56 divided by minus 8, right. So, we know how to write this, 56 divided by minus 8. Here the denominator is positive or negative? It is negative integer. So, we are going to take the negative sign to the numerator, that is minus 56 divided by 8, right. Now, 56 and 8 is the common factor of 8 table, right. So, we can cancel this, 8 ones are 8 and numerator is a negative integer. First put minus sign, and how many times you can cancel 56 in 8 table? So, 8 sevens are 56. So, minus 7 by 1, which gives the answer as minus 7. Is it clear how to solve the values? Last one more example. First, we are going to solve which is given inside the bracket, right. So, first step what we are going to write? 36 divided by minus 12 divided by minus 3. Here the denominator is negative. So, we are going to change the sign, that is minus 36 by 12 divided by minus 3. See, 36 and 12 is the multiple of 12 table itself. So, directly you can cancel in 12 table. So, 12 ones are 12 and the numerator is a negative integer. So, minus, how many times 12 in 36? So, 12 3s are 36. So, the answer is minus 3 by 1. Minus 3 by 1 we can write as minus 3 divided by minus 3. So, minus 3 divided by minus 3 is minus will get cancelled, and 3 and 3 can be cancelled in 3 table, that is 3 ones are 3. Therefore, what is the answer? Answer is 1. Is it clear how to solve the given question? Right. So, the exercise what we have seen is division of integers 1.4 exercise. Up to this we have completed our first chapter, integers in 7th standard, right. So, with the use of study material you can go through all the exercises, and with the help of the question bank do your practice, and then self assessment question paper is attached in the description box. So, make use of the question paper and evaluate yourself how much you have understood. Thank you, children.
I am a participator of national level chess tournament held at